welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and coming on back. If you haven't figured it out by now, I did change my channel name from Dinner Time with April to now Time with April. And if you noticed my last video, I didn't do cooking, I did a nail care video, so it just makes more sense since I'm going to be bringing different elements to my channel. So same place, different name, and if you want to spend time with us, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So I love eating avocados, and I wanted to make something interesting with them, so I thought to myself, what can I do? So I decided to make some avocado egg rolls, and if you want to see how I make them, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have one package of egg roll wraps. I'm going to use 3 avocados. I'm going to chop 1 Roma tomato, and I'm going to use the juice of 2 limes. I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of chopped red onions. I'm going to chop 1 garlic clove. I'm going to use some cilantro, and I'm going to season with sea salt and black pepper. And I'm going to cook them with 1 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, so first I'm going to cut and dice all of my avocados, and I'm going to put them in a medium bowl. Now I'm going to cut and use the juice of 2 limes, and this is going to help your avocados from oxidizing and turning brown. Now I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to begin smashing my avocados together, but not too much because I still like my avocados to be just a little bit chunky. Now I'm ready to add my chopped red onions, and I went ahead and chopped and took the seeds out of my Roma tomato. Now I've chopped, and now I'm going to add around a tablespoon of cilantro. Now it's time for me to add my chopped garlic clove, and of course I'm going to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. And again, I'm going to grab my fork and begin mixing everything together. As you can see, this is just basically guacamole wrapped in an egg roll. So now I'm ready to make some egg rolls. So I'm just going to take 1 egg roll wrap and lay it on a flat surface. Now I'm going to take a spoonful of the avocado mixture or the guacamole mixture and just put it at the center of the wrap. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to outline the edges of the egg roll wrap with some water, and this is going to help seal the edges. So you're going to take the bottom edge so it can meet up with the top edge, and you're going to take the side edges and you're going to have those meet in the middle. Take a little bit of water and wet the top and just roll it till you get the perfect egg roll. This recipe can make between 8 to 10 egg rolls depending on how much filling you put in the center. Now that we're all done, now we're ready to cook. Over medium-high, I'm ready to heat up a cup of vegetable oil. I'm ready to cook my egg rolls in the oil, and I'm going to put them in around 3 at a time, seam side down, and I'm going to let them cook for about 3 minutes until they're golden brown. After 3 minutes, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to let them cook for another 3 minutes. So as you can see, they are golden brown and they look amazing. So while you're cooking your egg rolls, let them cool on a cooling rack, and once you're done completely cooking your egg rolls, you can serve them up on a serving platter. This is a great idea for your next dinner party or just a snack at home, but remember, the best time to eat them is when they're nice and hot. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Sharing is caring, and if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face somewhere over here or the subscriber button down below, along with the notification bell, just to let you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.